Hello everyone, in this video we're going to make this form to work to finally send directs. So let's keep that open here. So let's go to the views here and let's create a new direct. View. So login required, send direct request. So from user will be this user. So to user and then username. We're getting that from the form. So request post get and then to user. Okay. And of course the body. Request post that get body. Okay, so when we get that, if the request method equals post to user, so get order 44 user and then you search by username. And now here finally we use our send message function that we got here in the models. So message that send message. Now here we pass remember here we pass from user to user and the body. So from user to user and the body. That's it. So now we HTTP let's go here, let me see. And nope. Okay. Return HTTP response redirect. Reverse, and now we direct arcs is that's it. Username. So we send that and else we need to import that. So here let's import HTTP response, not redirect, but bad request. So we copy that. Okay, here. Done. HTTP response bad request. Oh no. Yeah. So these two they're coming from Django.http. Okay. Okay. So now let's go to the direct so we can like fix this. This one. Let's put an ID to this. Let's put send direct form method post and then action. Action will be the view, but we forgot to create the. So let's okay send direct. So now we can add the URL here. Let's put send direct. Action, and then we put the URL here. Oops. Oh yeah. So yeah. So this is the input. Test. Let's put an ID here. Let's put for test. Let's put a name to this input. This will be the body. Remember that we got the body. And then let's create another input, but this one will be hidden. And then name will be to user. Okay. And value will be active direct. Perfect. So we close that. And yeah, that's it. Oh no, wait. We're forgetting something very important. We're working with forms. We need the CSRF token, cross-forgery token. Okay, we save that and we refresh. Which is the user. Okay, so here we put hello there. User is not defined. Oh wait. Oh yeah, it's not username. It's to username here. Okay, let's try again. Hello there. Send. And as you can see, it's sending the messages. Now let's log to the other user. Mask. Here, messages, and as you can see, one new. Click on that. Hello there. Oh. Oh. Hello. Oh, hello. Is everything okay? Now let's log out and then let's go to Bill Gates. Messages, and we got 3 new messages. Click on that, and as you can see, but I think so. And yeah, it's working. So let me see. So yeah, it's working. So in the next video, we're going to work with the load more, because let's say that we have like 1,000 messages. We just don't want to load all of them here. So we want to like have like a load more button here. But yeah, this is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.